Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Xiaomi 17. So first, what you guys want to do is open up these settings. Now go to Wi-Fi and first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. So this will be a quick restart, of course. This is what we're gonna do. And as you guys can see, everything is working. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna forget and reconnect to the network in the Wi-Fi settings. If you go to the network acceleration and if you use the dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, then basically what can happen is you will need to re-insert the password twice. So I'll forget this network, and of course another saved network, I'll also forget it. Here we're gonna enter the password to both of them. Now the first network is scanning and connected. Now if you go to network acceleration and click dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, we can select the networks right here. So I'll enter the password. Now let's go over, click connect, and we are finally connected. We can see it even on our Wi-Fi right here. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna restart the router and a phone. So to restart the router, it's nothing difficult. All you need to do is find a switch on the back of it and turn it off and turn it on. So it's that simple. Every router is different, so you need to find it on your own. But for the phone, you just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is simply update your software. So we're gonna go over to the settings and go to about phone. Now we're gonna go and click on the Xiaomi HyperOS. And I got no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you do them. It's very important to get rid of any old software glitches and to update to the newer version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.